How to write ebooks with ChatGPT. Unlock the potential of AI in ebook creation with the How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT Video Training. This comprehensive course offers step-by-step training videos that guide you through the process of creating profitable ebooks in any niche using the power of ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a complete newbie, this training will revolutionize your writing and publishing journey. Discover how to automate your process, save time, and establish a passive income stream with Amazon Kindle and affiliate marketing. With 10 detailed training videos, you'll learn everything from finding profitable niches using free tools to mastering the capabilities of ChatGPT for content creation. Dive in now and transform your ebook writing game. Here are the key features to the How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT training. 10 detailed training videos on ebook creation with ChatGPT. Strategies to skyrocket profits on Amazon Kindle and affiliate commissions. Techniques to automate the ebook writing process. Guidance on niche selection and leveraging free tools. Suitable for both beginners and experienced writers. For those looking to harness the power of AI in content creation, especially in the realm of ebooks, this training is a game changer. It offers valuable insights and actionable steps to streamline the writing process and maximize profits. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Don't miss out on the future of ebook creation. If you've ever wondered about the most efficient way to craft compelling ebooks, the answer lies with ChatGPT. By clicking the link below, you'll be taking the first step towards mastering the art of how to write ebooks with ChatGPT. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Dive in now and revolutionize your content creation journey. Click below and unlock the secrets to successful ebook writing with ChatGPT.